We're gonna do a check. Sweet glasses. Lots of good progress here, man. We had
The windows are on.
windows.
Let's go.
Windows and doors. You wanna go through the garage this time? Oh, we got Cooper and Olivia coming with us. So far, they are keeping a clean and organized construction site. Let's go around the outside real quick. Let's go over here. Oh, wow. Yep. Look at this. Got a lip here. This is going to be the stone. We've got the lip. The cladding on the outside is well underway. Window casings. Cool. Windows and window casings. Good amount of progress here.
Yep. I like this paper.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool. And the wood walls.
Yep.
Right there.
Yep. Looks all done in there. Yeah. Let's shoo them out. Come on, guys. Wait. Get that one. Oh man, there's so much chicken poop in here. Man, that's what I was afraid of. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Get out, you bad old chickens.
Dang it.
One more?
That's too bad. They're in here pooping too much, man.